Welcome back to TradeProFX. Today is another amazing video, and there's something I was trying to execute using the DFAS 6. So the DFAS bot with under 6, you just get it as the third bot there. And then how was I doing? During the day, you can see we have reached at 860.45, and it's very easy. And I was using a stake of 10, and then the other point 10. So I'll be showing you how you can execute trades in case you get double losses. So in case you hit 2 losses, you first stop that trading, and I'll be showing. So the ability here, so we change prediction to 8, then we change instead of the numbers to differ, you do 3 to 6. So in between 3 to 6. So from there, run your bot, and we start. So my target is hitting that USD right now. So in case there is a loss, I'll be showing you how you will be doing. So the first loss there, and then let's try to recover. So in case you hit those 2 losses, so you wait for the third one. Then after you have hit, you can see you are remaining with me with 13.6. So what you do here, you need to now at least do add the stake here, run for 3 times, then stop. So the first one, so you need to recover these rows. Are we together? So that one is the first one, the second one, and the third one. So after recovery that way, you can now proceed when returning back. That is how now you will do, so that you stay at least on the right track. So let's go again. So remember, we are targeting what? We are targeting that US dollars, and this is the easiest way I've seen making money without those deep analysis. So first doing DFAS, and then in case there's a loss, it will go with under 8, and there is a recovery. So in case that under 8 does not come out, that is already a manipulated trade. So what we do, we will just recover. That is a common. You can see there's a loss. So if it fails to recover on the next one and fails directly, you cannot hit more than 5 losses consecutive. So you'll still recover. So you first stop and then recover that loss which is remaining as we did. So at least that happened. Then let's do some checking here. You can see you lost on DFAS. Then it went to digit 9 because you usually trade under 8 in case there's a loss. So that is what our bot is configured there when we change it to the prediction digit. So let's see. Remember, my target is that USD, and at least it has happened so that someone can understand how can I recover in case I hit 2 losses at the same time. Remember, this is the easiest, but in case you hit now a loss, it will take away so much capital. So you can see there we have recovered again. So it's that simple. So in case you hit 2 of them consecutive and then recover, you stop that and then increase the stake on the other edge. So let's see. Again a loss, then we proceed. Okay, recovery. Remember, our total profit we are expecting is 30 US dollars. We are currently floating at 44, at 16. I mean, for 14, I mean 16. So now, right now, we are at 16.56. Right now, at 17.12. Right now, still proceeding very well. Let's see where we are going to hit. And I've seen it can also work with the people who are using a small account, who you can target maybe something like 1 USD, 3 USD, 5 USD, or also 10. So you can see, in case we hit a loss, we do a recovery there. Remember, this I'm doing because I have a good capital. So in case there's a loss, it is picking for 50 and then doing under 8, which the probability is obvious, 80% and above. So let's see where we are going to hit. And the target is obviously that US dollars, which I'm very sure we are going to hit because of I've already tested it. So I'll be showing you how, a video where we started with around 820 something or 30 something. I'll be showing you in a few. So you can see the progress. It's very nice, very, very nice. And let's keep going. Remember, the take profit is at 30 US dollars. In case maybe we will want to go further, we will check whether we will have reached at 900. So we can see how we can reach to 900. So in case there's a loss that way, you just proceed. There's a recovered there, and the trade proceeds. So you can see we are almost hitting at 900. If I mean that USD, we fail, we still target the capital to reach 900 because I can see we are at 888 something, 889. We can see 889, still 890. So we have some few more runs to go. So already at 30, let's now target 10 USD. Let's target around 10 to 9 USD. We see where we are going to hit. Remember, I've shown you how you recover the drastic loss whenever you hit, because that won't happen for so many times. It happens one in very well. So you can see like these are so many trades, so many wins trades. It's because such an scenario happening. It's very difficult, and when it happens, you just accept it. So that is how you can earn something, even 40, 50, and I've gotten the easiest way. I'll be trading. I won't be struggling so much to do analysis. No. Because now, if I can also make 900 again, okay, we have lost there. So 900, let's see. So let's give it some time. We hit 900. So let's hit 900. That is the good, perfect. Let me stop there. So we have hit 40.12 USD. From a 10 USD, just scoping 0.56 USD. So 94 won and then 10 lost. And the only trap we got was only the first one there. And I've shown you how you just recover that. So you can see how you recover, because it's very difficult for such a thing to happen. So you can see that happened for the first 10 trades. But from there, it changed. And the configurations is under 8 and then integer from 3 to 6. You can also do 6 to 9. It's upon you to do whatever you want. So it's upon you to change. You can change and use any, because it is just that it will be doing random trades between the 3. So Deriv can wonder what you are trying to do, but it will be trading only randomly between the 3 only. So you try it and then let me know in the comment section, and let's see where we're going to hit. So you can see we have hit those 3 losses. So you stop. you stop. Remember we lost the first one, so you stop there, and then you can now increase your stake and use something, and then only go for a few runs only, like 3. You already have recovered all your loss. So when you run the first one, the second one, the third one, the fourth one, the third one. So that is the second one, 2, 3. You already have recovered your lost trade. So from here, return back to whatever you are trading using the initial stake. I hope I'm making sense to someone who is out there who is trying to make something. So you see, when you return, you proceed, because that is something that can happen while trying to trade. So you can see it traded, went a loss on digit 6, and then tried to recover on under 8, but it was already at 8. So you can see here, recovered, lost, recovered. So from there, that is how you can trade and make something out of trading. So let's reach 50 here on the total profit. Then we call it a day. You can try it on the using a small account. Let me know. Also using a small account, and I've said it is upon you to decide whatever you want to use. So okay, we have lost there. Perfect. Let's just recover again. 50. Remember, I need a 50 there. Perfect. Then stop. So we are currently at 50.52. 910.97. It's very easy, very easy to scoop also 100 by just doing that. So we tried again. Remember the first time I was trying this strategy using 1 USD, and we saw that you can always make up to 4 USD. So let's see. So remember, when you hit that way, then that one has recovered. Whenever it has recovered on the third one, you just wait. Let me first stop here and then show you. You who has a small account, so we are already at 50. So let's just clear that and then start. Let me show you. Let's say I'm targeting 5 USD. So let's see how you could have done. So you will just be using 1 USD, but targeting what? 5 USD. So let's see where we are going to get to. So and see how many trades you will lose on a sequence. So that is what I want to show you, that even someone trying on a small account will also make, as long as you are disciplined and you are doing what I'm trying to show you. If you have 22, 23, 24, around 22 to that, 22 to that USD, you can make also 5 USD if you want by using this concept. The easiest on differs, and then whenever there's a loss, you go on under 8. Remember, I've shown you how you can change the configurations, so it's upon you to do whatever you want. So the first loss, then we recover. If in case there's a loss, we will just do the trading on using a bigger stake. We recover very fast and proceed. So it's that simple. Remember, we are doing differs, and differs has a very high probability of winning. So you also making, also hitting 5 USD is very simple. So you can see we have still recovered there, and the journey proceeds on differs, That is how you can grow your account slowly by slowly. If you have a 22 USD to and above, I think that can sustain you making 5 USD. So as long as you are patient, you're still going to hit your take profit. If you are someone who is not that greedy, if you wanted like 2 USD right now, you could be planning to exit. And you first call it a day. You can see there we have again a drawdown from that loss, and then it proceeds to USD. You stop your trading. So someone will expect again to reach at contracts 100. You can proceed and wait for that. So it's these easy. You can change the digits, the random digits, the digits from 0 to 3, 4 to 9, whatever you want. Also, you can do 5 of them for the random trades, for the bot to take random trades on differs, so that at least any that you see is matching. It's because we are still doing random trades differs. So the bot does not understand, Deriv does not understand what is this person trading differs on, because they are not also understanding. It's the same way they usually produce the prices on the last digit. You are also trying to do the same thing on using this bot. So the bot also, for we as the developer, we don't know what it will predict. Do you get it? So if it is predicting 9, 6, 1, 6, it can also repeat 9, 9 2 times, because it is very random. So therefore, the algorithm which is used to detect a pattern by Deriv, it does not understand. Therefore, you will always see so many wins, and especially while trading these random trades on differs, and the recovery is under 8. You can see someone who was using a small account will still make it to 5 US dollars, and it's these simple. The person will have hit already 72 USD, 72 wins, and then 6 draws, only 6 draws. So I want to show you that you can hit 5 USD using a small account like of 22 and above. You can see it has happened on the 82 count. So whenever you hit that way, you can, let's say you had 50 USD. If you subtract all these, you'll have had someone with a 22, someone with this one. Let's say the person has 14 USD left. So if you had 14, if you had 50, you'll come and do 14 and then go with 2 trades. So the first one, 1, and then 2, and then 3. Then stop. Then proceed using a 1 USD. That is how you try and recover as fast as possible. So it's this simple. So you proceed now from there. So you've already recovered more what was lost. So that it proceeds very well. In case there's 2 losses, I have said difference goes to under 8. In case you see a loss 2 times, you wait for the recovery on the other one. So someone with a good capital obviously will maneuver using this bot. It's that simple. Try it. Okay, perfect at 5 USD. So you can see How simple it is. How simple it is. It's the same way. Someone with a good amounts can reach even 200 USD. But now, for us, we normally tend to risk. I usually try to show you somehow you can do using. Let me first confirm something because I want to reach. I've seen it's possible to reach this account to 1000 USD. So volatility 10 So allow me to check the green bar where it is. So I know where I can place my trading. So volatility 10 Volatility 10 let's wait and see. Green bound 0 to 3. So if I play with 7 to 9. Or 2 to 4. 2 to 4. That is good. 2 to 4 because I can see all those digits are small. So what is it? So I'll go with 2 to 4 and then use a stake of 50. So 2 to 4. Okay, 2 to 4. So that is where I'll be doing my differs on. So if you can do random trades on 2 to 4, then we can do a stake of 50 and then 50 here. And I'm very sure we are going to hit this account to 1000 USD. Let's reach it as we are discussing on the best outcome. So let's see where we are going to get. So I don't know what is happening. I'll need to. Okay, we can see we have an issue there. So let me just try and see what is happening. You can see there's an issue. So we have an issue. We have an issue here. So allow my net to let me try and see. So welcome back to TradeProFX. So there's a cringe which happened here, and you can see we were taken back to 896.985. Seems there was a loss, and I will still proceed with it because we need to reach to 1000 USD. So allow me to also stop this one because that will take some longer time. So you'll allow me to do with 100, and then we go with 100. We try scooping at least something good. So I don't know why we were left behind. There was a big loss there. So we were around here, 930 something, but we hit a very big loss. So okay, another loss there. Okay, we have recovered that. Okay, let's just keep going. Remember, we are hoping that we are reaching 1000 USD. So another loss there. Okay, recovered. Remember, we are using 0 to 6, 0 to 4. That is the difference we are trying to use. So I'm hoping that I'm going to reach at 1000 USD. Let's go. What is happening? What is happening with my net? It should not be lagging behind. So 1000 USD. So very fast. This is the power of using a bigger stake. Yes, targeting small. So it will be very few trades, and then we reach. What is wrong? Oh my. Okay, good. Let's keep going. Let's keep going. Differs. Let's keep going. Differs. Okay, differs again. Almost hitting. Then 1000 USD. Almost hitting. So it's called the power of risking. Oh my. Okay, again recovered. We still proceed. Oh my, what is happening? Perfect. Let's keep going. We only have some few runs, and then we call it a day at 1000 US dollar. What is happening? Okay, we go on. Repo risking. Let's keep going. There, Deriv wanted to make me mad. Okay. Among the last trades, I hope we reach the last trades. 200 to go. 1 and the last one. 2. Perfect. 1000 USD scooped, and that is how you can always risk. So whenever you use a bigger stake, you'll go for smaller runs, but very risky. You can see my trades there. I don't know why it wanted so many losses. So 1, 2, but well and good. We have hit our trade. So I've already known the secret is you either use a smaller stake and make many contracts, or use a bigger stake, make few runs, and then exit, because we are all risking, and we can try to risk the right way. So you can see me, I've already reached 1000 USD with you guys since I started from 800, 200 scoped. Let's meet in the next video. This is TradeProFX. Bye bye.